Hey, Jarvis. What am I? E. Right. Wow, look, my running so damn fast, bruh. I have to snitch on you, bro. Maybe if I can vent.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I like it, cut G. Oh my god!
Imposter?
Wow!
Fucking go. But it's airy, kid. Hold on. Fake tasks. Oh my god. Operate engine. 10 seconds. Okay.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Vent. Oh, I'm locked. Okay, hold on. No one was ejected. Tie. Okay. Do fake tasks. Okay, hold on. Do this.
Fuck!
He's gonna tell. He's gonna tell. Mm-hmm.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god! Stop fucking lying!
I'ma play with you. I love playing Among Us. Like I love.
Oh, oh.
Yo,
It's red. I'm gonna have to snitch on you, dude.
tell me then.
No, man. Not yet.
Tell me.
No, I'm in a match. It's
Why you bullying
red.
me?
These kids are so dumb. Bruh. It's red. It's red. No, I already did that test. People are gonna think.
Oh no. People
I have to kill the light blue kid first.
Yo.
Because that guy's gonna snitch on my ass.
Yo.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
How did it make you walking big? Huh? Huh?
It's
Huh? Tell me. Tell me.
event. Ooh, it's red.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god! Stop fucking lying!
I swear to my life. Man, it's red. Just pick red. Tie. I'm getting lucky, bro. Man, hold on. I'm have to killing daddy. I have to kill light blue, bro. I'm killing light blue. This kid is such a damn snitch. Where is he at?
B Uzi.
Let's go! Oh my god, bruh.
Tell me.
Hold on.
Kid?
People. I'm killing.
Why is it name
light
of
blue
floor?
first?
Why is it?
What's my YouTube channel name, huh?
Floor?
Okay, hold on.
Is A
I'm
cute?
finding that light blue.
And why is it in Manga's name?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
Why are you always spelling black?
Oh,
Cause he's an
shit.
imposter.
Here we go again.
It's black.
Okay. Kid, tell me code, kid. Kid.
Hold on.
Kiddo.
Okay, where's that light blue guy at? He's too smart. I have to kill him.
Up.
He's gonna tell me. He's not.
Really?
Did light blue leave?
He's right behind you. And that. Kill a different kid like a snitch. Kill a snitch.
Be quiet, yo.
I bet.
I need to find that light blue guy.
The dark blue. No.
It's okay. They got me.
Okay, after this, tell me code. No!
I'm gone. What? Bruh. Yo, Jesus is hooking me up, bruh. Holy
No.
shit.
Like it always demon.
Oh my god.
Like a demon.
I have to kill that white guy. Killing you, bruh. Fuck you, bruh.
Look at